Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to work with the LUT function in Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, what is LUT? LUT stands for looks up table, and it is basically a conversion profile that takes a color value in your original file, looks it up in a table and return a new color value. Now we are going to work with LUT. So on this image we are working. First of all, we need to make a copy by pressing Ctrl J. Now go to blending modes and select color lookup. Now select the thumbnail and simply go to 3D LUT file, and there is a drop down menu. Now there you find different LUTs. So first is this, second is this, third is this, and fourth, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There are 26 free LUTs in Photoshop already installed, but different LUTs are available online on different websites, so you can go and download it. There are lots of frees and lots of pairs. So first of all, we are working with codec 5218 codec 2395 by adobe.cube. Select it and down the opacity about 50. Now simply select the layer, press Ctrl J, and also down this image opacity about 40. Now select the first lookup and go to blending modes and select their screen. Also do this step with the copy. Now there are lots of shine. We are going to make again a copy of the layer. Now select the thumbnail. You need to change the blending mode into normal. Now there we select moonlight, and there is, this is not too much realistic, so that we are going to make a new layer of color lookup and select the thumbnail, double click on it, go to select 3 stripe or you can change the settings as your requirements. So now we are going to group these layers. First of all, press Ctrl and selecting the image and press Ctrl G. Now this is a group, and now we are going to show after and before, all what we do, all the things we do. So simply press the Alt key and press the background layer. This is the before, this is the before and this is the after. So now there is one more question I have, and this is a magical trick I am going to show you how to make a LUT. So you need to select the image by pressing Ctrl and simply go to File, Export, Export Lookup Tables. This now we are going to change the description about lookups. So press OK. Now we need to select the folder, make a new, and also its name is looks up. Save there. Okay, now open an image simply by I'm going to select this image. For example, press Ctrl J to copy the image. Now go to blending modes, select color lookup, and then select load 3D LUT. And you see that how it works, how to make your LUT. This is a magical trick. So if it video gives you a help, then please also like my video, share my video, and also subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.